sulfur, and the red one is iron. And as I told you, if you see the insects around here, they are here because they are eating the minerals in the ground. Yeah.
Okay.
By the way, if you see a big group of bees, just don't move. Okay, that's it. Okay, because maybe we will see a big group. It's not like 100% sure, but just in case,